Hey guys, I'm Shravan. Welcome back with a new tutorial video about soil mechanics. So today the topic is three-phase system. Today I'm discussing about what is three-phase system and why this is three-phase system. So basically, when soil particle, there is some soil solid, and there is some voids. Voids mean void means space, vacuum space. So this is the void, and this void there be some water, and some void filled with air. So for our simplification, we draw a system where there will be air, there will be water, there will be soil solid. So let's draw that diagram. This is air, this is water, and this is solid. So this is the very simplification of the three-phase system and how we denote for better understand the soil parameter in future. Suppose we denote in this side mass, or weight. This is the air, so mass of air I write here Ma or Wa. Water, mass of water or W of water. Solid, Ms or Ws. Weight, that is mean mass into G. So this is I denote as per mass, as per weight, so in this side I am trying to denote it by volume. This is the VA, this is the VW, this is the VS. So this is the full three-phase system. So you can say this is three-phase system. Okay. But there is some assumption. What is the assumption? Very simple assumption. Mass of air or weight of air treated as 0. So you tell me in comment section why mass of air or W or weight of air is 0. I definitely make a video about why mass of air is 0 and why weight of air is 0, but you tell me why mass of air is 0. So this is about three-phase system. उम्मीद करूँगा आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आ गया तो कर दिए लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब, कमेंट। अगर कोई डाउट है आपके पास, सो अभी यहीं तक, फिर मिलेंगे कोई एक नई टॉपिक के नई कंसेप्ट के साथ सॉइल मैकेनिक्स ट्यूटोरियल में। चलिए, गुड बाय, टेक केयर।